For our final project, we used Snap to implement Monopoly. Monopoly is a board game consisting of 40 spaces with 28 properties separated into 20 streets. There can be up to 4 players, and each player begins the game with $1,500. At the start, each player rolls a dice to determine the order of play with the highest value assigned as the starting position. Players can choose to buy foreclosed properties, and if they have no money, then they lose the game. To implement the actual interface of the game, we use lists. Each section of the board is composed of coordinates, where each sprite starts at go and a separate function controls the dice. We implemented an AI into the game which makes the most logical decision based on the amount of money it currently has in its bank account, such as purchasing certain properties. It has a procedure to purchase a monopoly by placing homes and hotels on them. Once it starts to buy property, it considers the streets that it owns or the opponent's streets. If an opponent's property is foreclosed, the AI considers buying it based on the current amount of money in its account and if it will help complete a monopoly. If the AI has no more cash, it considers to mortgage the highest value property that it has to continue playing.
This is the player side of Monopoly. Press spacebar to release sprite and move. A prompt will appear asking if you want to buy a certain property. Enter yes or no. Once you buy a property and enter yes, it should change the ownership to 1 and allow you to build property once on it again.